Hi, I'm Joshua Hunter, Public Benefits Specialist at McGinnis Elder Care Law. This is part 2 in our series about how to create a successful VA application for pension benefits. In this video, I'll talk about the VA application process and how important it is to work as a team to pull everything together. In our previous video, we discussed the need for documentation and verifications for all of the veteran's assets and financial information. Sadly, the VA application takes more than that to complete. To list everything briefly, the VA application consists of a laundry list of VA documents, a document from the veteran's doctor, documents from the care provider, and then the previously mentioned documentation on assets and finances. So let's start with the VA documents necessary to complete the application. I could bore you all to death by listing off a ton of VA forms, but we'll stick to the most important forms. First is the VA Form 2122A. This form allows the veteran to appoint someone as a representative, someone to help you and speak with the VA on your behalf. The VA does not care about power of attorney documents. Second is the VA Form 4138. This document acts as a cover letter for every VA interaction. If you need to ask for expedited processing or respond to a VA letter, this is the form. Finally, there's the VA Form 527 and 534. These are the actual pension applications, the centerpiece for the entire package that will be sent to the VA. It's crucial that the information on this form is complete and accurate. So let's move on to the doctor forms. The veteran's doctor or physician will need to complete the VA Form 2680. This form helps the VA understand the veteran's care needs through the words of his or her doctor. If you're applying for aid and attendance, this form is required to prove the veteran's medical need. Well, what's the best way to get this form completed? We suggest that you call your loved one's physicians and ask for 2 back-to-back appointment slots. This will give the doctor plenty of time to see your loved one and then complete the VA Form 2680 on the spot. The form isn't complicated to fill out, but the results are always better when the doctor has just seen the patient. Finally, the veteran's caregiver will need to complete a few forms and provide some documentation. If the veteran is at home, the VA will need the caregiver to complete the VA's worksheet for in-home caregivers, and a copy of the care contract, and proof that the veteran is paying for care. On the form of proof might be a bank statement. If the veteran is receiving care in a facility, the VA will need the facility to complete the VA Form 0779, along with the worksheet for facility care. Again, the VA will want to see proof of payment for this care. Outside of special circumstances, this gives you a good idea of the VA application process and the picture that we need to have to show the VA before the pension will be awarded. We highly suggest that veterans work with professionals and get expert guidance on completing VA applications. If the application is denied, a veteran cannot reapply for a full year. This can be a costly mistake. When it comes to applying for VA pension benefits, you really want to get it right the first time.